There are many people suffering from skin diseases, such as atopy due to chemical products. Today, we're diving into a game changer, which is a natural laundry solution that can clearly remove stains and even deodorize clothes without using chemical detergents when doing laundry. In fact, it is more effective than chemical detergents. Washing clothes with papaya leaves may seem like an unconventional method, but it works due to the natural enzymes and properties found in papaya leaves. Here's an explanation of how this process helps in cleaning clothes. Papaya leaves contain enzymes, primarily papain and chymopapane, which have powerful enzymatic properties. These enzymes can break down organic compounds, including proteins and fats, which are often the components of stains and dirt on clothing. When you crush or blend papaya leaves and create a solution, you release these enzymes. When the papaya leaf solution comes into contact with stains or soiled fabric, the enzymes work to break down and loosen the bonds between the dirt, oils, and proteins in the stains. Unlike some commercial detergents that can be harsh on fabrics, papaya enzymes are generally gentle. They can effectively remove stains without causing excessive wear and tear on the clothing fibers. This can be particularly beneficial for delicate or sensitive fabrics. Papaya leaves also impart a fresh, natural scent to your clothes. This is especially appealing to those who prefer a more natural, earthy fragrance over the artificial scents found in many commercial detergents. Now, let's get practical to make your papaya leaf detergent. Simply pick a handful of fresh papaya leaves, wash them thoroughly, and then blend them into a smooth paste. Add a little water if needed to get the right consistency. Pour your papaya leaf paste into a bucket of water, and you've got yourself a natural, eco-friendly detergent. If you want easy and eco-friendly information, natural examples,